Hello guys, today I will show you how to create Thunderstruck logo reveal really easily with given project which you can download for free. The link is in the description. So let's get started. So after when you download the project, you open it and you will see those three things. So logo, here you will upload your logo, and before you just upload your logo here in this folder, logo, and here is my logo and I uploaded it, so you can do the same. And then you can change the tagline, so this text is under here, and that's it. You have your logo intro, and it's really beautiful. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with others, and see you soon.